Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are still enjoying my channel. Have you ever wondered or ever think, with the transformation of the world into new technology, there are some people who doesn't have a bank account as of today. So how can we transfer or pay those people an amount of money that we will need to do? We need to pay them whilst they don't have any existing account. So Capitec introduced a certain way of how you can do that. So I'm going to show you step by step. Sit back and relax and enjoy. Okay, you go to your new Capitec app and right at the bottom, send cash. You need to key in your PIN and confirm. So as you can see on the top, it says send cash to a friend, family to collect for free at Capitec branch ATMs, or they can collect from any of these stores, which is a wow, which is awesome. Okay, what you need to know: you can send up to 3,000 per transaction. The daily limit is 5,000 and you can send up to 24,990 per month. To collect the cash, the recipient needs the reference number and secret code. Send 40 Rand to 1,000 Rand. There is a transaction fee of 8 Rand. To send 1,010 Rand up to 3,000, there is a transaction fee of 16 Rand. Continue with this transaction. So you press on continue. And then the amount that we need to send is only a 50 Rand. Then we need to create a 4-digit secret code that we have to give to that person. After creating a 4-digit secret PIN, you need to say send. Okay, so you need to enter your Capitec app mobile PIN to confirm. Okay, as you can see, it says it has been sent. It says successful and reference number, and the reference number will be SMSed to you. Send it to the recipient. Send the secret code in a separate message. Cash not collected within 30 days will be paid back into your account, which is awesome. This is awesome, guys. So if this person misses to withdraw this cash from the ATM or from any store, then this amount is automatically paid back into my account, so you don't lose anything. So guys, I hope you found this interesting and helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to my channel. This channel is bringing it time and again. So if you're done,